What's going on, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts, and I am on the InboxDollars right now. The link to this site, if you would like to sign up, is in the description. They have a website, but I'm actually on the app, just showing you, another way that you can make money with this app, kind of on the go, if you will. Right here is the home page, and you see here it has just a list of surveys that I can take. That's mainly what I do when I'm on the go. When I have like a little, a few minutes or whatever, I'll try one of these surveys out. You see here my balance, I have $37.84. All right, now, before I even move on, you will see, I'm going to show you payment proof that I got paid from them. Let me see, right here. The reward store sent you $30, and that was on, what day was that? November 3rd. All right, so today it is November 23rd. So basically a little bit under 3 weeks, I've already made enough to cash out again. So let me go back to the app, just showing you basically that I'm making a little bit over $10 a week with this app. So it's very possible. I'm doing it, and I'm just going to show you real quick how I do it. Like I said, they have a website, and I use that as well. But the app is still good as well, because there are different things you can do in here. Like I said, the surveys are here. They don't have that many, but it's a good amount. Like once you take, one or two, it'll put more on there. So don't be just shocked that this is all they have. One thing I will tell you is that you see here they have everyday receipts, 2 cents. Basically, any receipt that you get, you can go in here and scan it, take a picture of it. That's 2 cents. You'll be surprised at how fast your balance will add up in just scanning receipts. Also, another thing I will tell you on here, it's kind of hard for me to show you on here because it's like it doesn't have a section for it. But if you have your location on, like there's something else you want to do, whenever you pass by a store, like let's say you pass by Walmart, if your location is on with this app, you get 5 cents for just checking in. And like I said, all you gotta do is pass by it, because it's been plenty of times where, I've been by a store and, they'll say earn 5 cents for checking in Walmart, and I'm close to it and I'll earn that 5 cents. Like I said, just have your location on with this app. That's another way you can really, pile up your earnings. But one thing I will tell you is with the surveys, they don't really have disqualification points, but you see here this scratch and win bar, it continues to rise. The more you let it rise, get to the top, the more money you'll make. I'll just give you an example real quick of how this works. So you have to scratch it in order to get paid. So I'm at the second one. I haven't gotten the third one yet, but I can reach the second one. I'm going to show you real quick. So I'm going to click on the bar right quick. And you see here, this is the second one. So I can click scratch. And then I just kind of do this. Let's see how much I earned. I probably earned 3 cents with that. So look, you earn 3 cents. I just go earn more, whatever, even though I really don't. So now I have $37.87. So that's how that goes. So let's say I take this survey right here, that's 15 minutes, 75 cents. I don't qualify for it. That bar, it'll go back up. It continue to rise. The more surveys you do, the more surveys you get disqualified for, your bar will continue to raise. So that's how they do their disqualification points on this app. All right. Now, like I said, I just showed you payment proof that I've been paid a little bit under 3 weeks ago with this app, and I'm going to get paid again. You see here I have $37.87. So I'm going to cash that out real quick, just like I did last time, my last video. Just click on the balance there, and you see it there, your scratch and win bonus. That's what I get for doing that. So right there, you have $10 minimum of cashing out in this site. They have lowered it. It used to be 30, but now it's 10, because I think they felt like a lot of people, really couldn't get $30 or whatever. So it's really cool that they lowered it to 10. So I'm going to request cash. And you see here the different things they have. They have Amazon, Applebee's, things like that. I'm going to go down to PayPal, because that's what I like. You see here they have the PayPal $10 minimum. I'm going to click on that. And I'm going to go to the $30 one, because that's, what I have. I'm going to click on, go down here and just confirm. I have to confirm my password, so let me put that in real quick. Alright, so you see now, they just asked me to confirm the $30, because it will be deducted immediately from my account. So all I'm going to do is push confirm right here. And congratulations on your redemption. It usually takes like a day or two for it to get to me, but it's as simple as that. You know what I'm saying? Just getting your $30. out of this account. So if I go back to my balance now, I should have $7.87 left, and that's what I have. You see there, $30. So very simple. Like I said, I showed you the previous payment proof I got, which is like on the 3rd of November. Now I'm cashing out again, and I'm going to cash out, you know, in hopefully in the next couple weeks too with this app. So I really recommend you guys to sign up for it. I mean, this app where it's, you know, a lot of little opportunities in here as far as the surveys, the receipts, the having your location on, just checking into different stores, you know, earning 5 cents every time you do that. And it's like, you know, if you're just driving around, just in your car, just doing whatever, like you'll pass by a lot of stores and you can really add up in that 5 cents. I mean, it's hard for me to kind of show you that because you have to actually be at, you know, at the store. But like I said, you're getting 5 cents for every store you pass. That's, you know, that they have on this app. It doesn't like, it's not every store, but like, you know, popular stores like a Walmart or a grocery store, some hotel. It is some gas stations out there. It really just depends, but you'll see it pop up on your phone. But like I said, sign up for this app. The link to it is in the description. Start cashing out on this app regularly like I am. And always remember, every penny counts.